guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I already have a habit of looking up at the viewfinder. Today's video, if you couldn't already tell, it's going to be a little bit more casual. I'm going with a vlog style today because I am currently planning out. Also, sorry, side note, if you can hear music in the background, I have a coffee house playlist on because I don't get copyrighted for whatever I'm playing. It's actually a little bit loud, so I might lower it in a minute. But today's video, I am going to be doing a kind of style with me, help me pack and plan my outfits for New York. I'm going to New York in a month. I know I'm actually very early planning out these outfits, but it's a Sunday. I'm not really doing much today, so I thought this would be a good video to film. So let me know in the comments below what you do like, what you don't like, if you think I should be packing warmer clothes, because that's also another thing. It's currently snowing there. I know I have a whole other month to go, but I have never been to New York during this time of year, so weather-wise, don't really know if what I have picked will work. So if you are from New York, help me. If you have any ideas, help me. That is what this video is for. So let's just jump straight on into it, and I hope you all enjoy. So my current situation is not ideal. I started planning the outfits last night, so I have a pile of them here on the floor. I know, really sanitary. And then I have an outfit here in my bed, and I've kind of just started pulling stuff from my wardrobe. So I'm going to get my clothing rail together, and I'm going to put it somewhere along here, and then I'm going to push my mirror to the side, and start showing you my outfits. Currently in a tracksuit, nice and comfy, just out of the shower as well, and I tanned, so I'm still really sticky, which is great. So yeah, we're gonna build the clothing rail now. Okay, I bought this clothing rail from IKEA, I'm gonna say maybe like 4 years ago, and I definitely didn't put it together right because it's so wobbly, but it's only like €14 and really handy, and you can take it apart so easily. So, oh my god, I'm gonna fall over. So yeah, that's why I don't permanently have it up in my room, because it takes up a lot of space, but also really handy that I can just take it apart whenever I don't need it. So ignore the wobble in it when I do have it built. Okay, so this is the current setup that I have going on. Started planning these outfits last night. They could completely change, so that's why I wanted to film this video, just to get your opinion and to help me pick my outfits. So I am only going for 5 days, so I don't really want to pack loads, and especially because it's winter, I don't want to pack a lot of like chunky things, because I also want to buy things when I'm there. So currently I only have 3 pairs of shoes picked out. Definitely will be adding a pair of heeled boots, but I think that's all the shoes I'm going to go for at the minute. And then, like I said, I'm going to be going in February, so it's going to be cold. So I've got hats planned out that I want to wear with each outfit, and then bags, trousers, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just going to get started and put on the first outfit. Okay, so this is the first look we were going for, and I feel really stupid right now standing here with sunglasses and a woolly thing on my head. But I don't have the jacket yet that I had planned on pairing with this outfit. It is on the way from Misguided. I'll insert a picture here just to show you what it looks like. But this jumper I literally only bought the other day from H&M, and I sized up and got a size medium because I wanted it to be a little bit more oversized, because I wanted to wear it with these type of jeggings. These are also new. They're not leggings, they're like a jean jegging. And I got these, they're Dr. Denim. I got a size small. I'm not sure if they're a little bit too tight. And my shoes are new. I was sent these from iClothing. I love them. I think they're very cool. And my bag is from Primark. Headpiece is from Dunn Stores, and sunglasses are also from H&M, brand new. But I don't know color wise. So I'm thinking now, I actually need to take these sunglasses off because I can't see. I think that the color of the bag goes well with the jumper, but then the shoes is completely off color. It's more of like a camely beige. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, if you can see there. Like, I love the shoes. I think they're so cool and would probably look nice with a different outfit, but I feel like maybe I need to wear black shoes with this. But I love the feel of the jumper, like the size of it, really comfy. I'm going to wear layers underneath this as well. I'll probably layer up with like a long sleeve black top or a skin tight black tank top, just for a bit more warmth. I thought this headpiece was kind of cool. I don't know, possibly a hat. I could change it up as well. And then I just went with a simple crossbody like bum bag because it's going to feel really secure. I'm walking around New York. I don't really want to have a handbag all the time. I'd rather something that wraps around me. So yeah, that's look one. This is probably the one outfit I'm 100% sure on other than the shoes. I'm going to try on the black shoes and tell me what you think. Okay, so I just changed the black boots and I think I prefer it this way. Oh, I don't know. I'm really unsure. These are new. They're also from Primark. They're a little bit kind of, I don't know, they're not very comfortable around the ankle and I'm going to be doing a lot of walking. But I think they'll be perfect in case it snows because they're like the chunkiest boots I have. Like sole wise, they're really big. But I do plan on wearing these with a different outfit. But I mean, if it means I don't have to bring loads of shoes. I wish I had the jacket to show you. So that's what this outfit looks like now without the knee-high boots. What do you think? I think colour-wise it looks better. That colour was throwing them off. And then the coat is a big cream puffer coat. And I could also add a scarf as well. So yeah, that's look one. Okay, so this is the next possible outfit. And I've added a coat that I didn't plan on bringing because I don't think I'm going to have the room. And I'm also after buying a new coat. But the coat that I bought is creamish white. Don't think it's going to go with all of my outfits, so that's why I've thrown on this black puffer. And I already don't like this outfit. I'm getting annoyed at myself now. So I kept on the last pair of trousers, the Dr. Denim jeggings. Also kept on the boots because I did plan, what's that? I did plan on wearing these boots with this. So I'm just going to show you as well what the outfit looks like without the coat because that's where it looks cool. Sorry, this is, like I said, it's a vlog style, so it's going to be a little bit all over the place. So this is the outfit. I am wearing this jacket that I got from Zara, I think about a year and a half, 2 years ago. And it's basically like wearing a second coat. So that's why I thought pairing it with the black puffer coat would be okay because it'd be a little bit more warmth. I'm also wearing a black turtleneck underneath from Primark. Then this hat, not really 100% sure on. It's my mom's. It's very old. Sorry mom, I'm not saying that you're old, but it's vintage. it's old. It's like probably 40 years old, 30 years old, I don't know. And I never wear bucket styled hats, but I just thought this was really cute and it's very like New York style. But I could be like way off and this could look absolutely horrendous. And then I'm also planning on pairing it with my Celine chunky sunglasses. In case it's cold and I don't want the wind in my eyes, and also in case it's sunny because that's what sunglasses are for. So yeah, I don't think the hat's working. And I also thought of pairing these blue jeans with this outfit, but I thought the black actually looked a little bit more chic, so I'm just going to throw the coat back on again and show you. The coat also comes with a belt on it, but I am planning on wearing my Gucci belt bag possibly with this outfit, so I'm just going to try this on now and see what it looks like. Okay, so now this is the outfit with the bag, which I now think it looks really cool. And also a note, I am absolutely roasting, so this probably would work in New York on like a really cold winter day because I am sweating right now with the amount of layers I have on. So just a little up close. So I put the little Gucci belt bag in. I think this needed just to be cinched in a bit. And I love the pockets on this coat. It's really handy. Probably also going to have like a pair of black gloves on. Color wise, I think this all works perfect. It's really chic. It's very me. It's beige. Love the sunglasses. Not sure in the hat. So that's what I want to know. I'll actually take, oh, lovely hat hair. Wow. I'll take the hat off now and just see. I'm going to have to wear some form of a hat though, because I'm just going to get very cold. I wonder what a cap would look like. Hang on, bear with me. Okay, huge no to the cap. Don't know what was going through my head. That completely threw the outfit off. No, not happening. This is also a hat that I am going to be bringing with me. It's my favorite hat that I own, winter hat, but I am planning on wearing this with another outfit and I just don't think it really suits the vibe of this look. Because the big white CK and then I have the gold Gucci and it's just not really working. So I think we'll try stick with the bucket hat. If not, I will just get a plain black woolly hat. But outfit wise, I think this is going to work. I'm kind of liking it. I need to take it off because I'm melting into a puddle right now. Honestly, this next outfit makes me question my whole wardrobe and that I should just change all of my clothes to tracksuits because I'm made to wear tracksuits. Like comfort wise, I mean, I'm made to wear tracksuits. I don't want to wear skinny jeans. I want to wear leggings all day, every day, because I'm obsessed with this outfit. I'm going to show you now. It is the most simple outfit, and I plan on wearing this on the last day because we have an early checkout from our hotel and our flight isn't till that night, and we fly through the night, so this would be ideal for walking around. Sorry, completely missed the shoes there. And it's so comfy. And again, remember, big puffy white / cream coat on with this. I love it. It's so simple. So I've just paired it with my high-waisted, these also I absolutely live in. These are my seamless high-waisted H&M leggings. I will try link them if they still have them. They're literally sent from heaven. I love them. And this is a really old Bershka jumper, very comfortable. I also have it in beige. It has kind of like an elasticated bottom and a high neck, so this would keep you nice and warm. I could layer it with long sleeve underneath and you wouldn't even know. Also then, this is the bag I wear whenever I go out for a walk. Just holds everything really nicely. It's Guess. Love it. And then, like I said, my Calvin Klein woolly hat, my absolute favourite, with the new H&M glasses. And then these bad boys that I know a lot of people probably are going to hate. They still have the tags on them because they're new. I got them in Zara and I love them. I'm really into the dad shoe, like that big chunky runner. I got these because they had a pop of colour, which is not very me. And they're also so spongy, like, oh my god, I feel like I'm on a trampoline. They're so comfortable. Ideal for walking around in New York. So let me know what you think of them. I know they're a very like love-hate type of thing. Also, I don't have any tan on my legs. That's why my ankles look like milk bottles. So yeah, this is a possible outfit. Very comfortable, nice and warm. And I think this would look lovely with my new puffy coat that's arriving. So let me know what you think of this look. I don't know why, but they remind me of the dinosaur off of Jurassic Park that kills the guy in the car. You know, when like his like wings come out the side? I feel like my shoes should have like a dinosaur noise or something. I love them. Oh my god, they're fab. They're so cool. That little black tag obviously won't be on them, but I think they're cool. Am I a weirdo? Do I look like a loser? Let me know. Okay, I'm also going to share a little styling hack with you guys. So I own a lot of that wasn't proper English. I own lots of pairs of mom jeans, and I have quite a small waist and I like to wear my jeans nice and high-waisted, but when I do that I come into the problem with this, and I don't necessarily like to wear belts with everything, so that's where my little trick is going to come in now. So what you're going to need is an old shoelace, and you're going to loop it in beside these two pieces where a belt would normally go. Now this will only really work if you have something to hide the back of your jeans. I mean, you could show off that you have a shoelace there, but personally I wear this if I have like blazers on, or if I have a long top on, a long shirt, whatever works. So all you do is literally loop it through here and then loop it through this one. I'm pretty sure people know about this trick, but I'm just going to share it anyway. So then you have it here, and all you're going to do is pull it back and just tie it. Tie a little bow on it so it's nice and tight, and then from the front your jeans fit. I didn't even need a belt. You wouldn't know if you had something long on at the back that I have a shoelace, but I mean sometimes it's kind of a nice little detail. But yeah, that's a little hack because I don't really like to wear belts that often. So this, oh my god, I keep falling. So this works really well. I just thought I'd share that with you before I try on the next outfit. Okay, so this outfit I thought I would pair it with this black blazer, leather blazer, because it's also like wearing another jacket, so it's an extra layer of warmth. And this does tie around the waist as well. You know me, I love a good cinch in around the waist for a bit of shape. So that's that there. Okay, I'm liking how this is going so far. And then for shoes, some of you are going to hate me, but I think the dad shoes need another go at an outfit. So I'm going to try it on with this one. I'm wearing mom jeans, so I feel like they'll work better. I don't think these shoes would work well with skinny jeans on the ankle. Sorry, absolute struggle of putting these on. For a bit of colour, I threw a little blue bag on, a crossbody bag. Again, keeping it nice and secure. It's a small bag. I can keep it on the front of me while I'm walking around. And then I'd have the puffy coat on. And this is another look that I think I love. So I think I'm pretty set on the last look and now possibly this one. Again, comfy shoes. I'm going to be walking all day. I like the pop of colour with the blue. I feel like I've worn black in like all of the outfits. I know I'm literally wearing a black jacket, but if I have a puffy coat on as well. My turtleneck is from Primark. The jacket is from Get That Trend or iClothing. I will link it below. And if it's still available, I only got this pretty recently. The bag is from Primark. The jeans are from Mango. Like I said, the shoes are from Zara. And the hat is Calvin Klein. Probably will just wear sunglasses as well with this while I try them on. Just to show you, I think I'm going to go with the Celine's. I also need to get these with my prescription because I wear glasses every day and I can't see when I wear my sunglasses. But oh yeah, I like that. Okay. So then puffy coat and this as an outfit. This would be good for like a day where I know I'm going to be walking around all day. And it's layers, so like I could take the coat off if I get too warm. I don't necessarily have to wear it closed. I'll just untie it here and see what you think. So like this could be worn open. And I could add a belt if I wanted, but I have my shoelace trick. So yeah, that's the coat open. I love this outfit. Okay, moving on to the next. Fast forward 2 days later after filming those clips and I'm here editing and my memory card broke and I lost the last clip of the last outfit, which I currently have on now because I'm going to show you really quick. But in the meantime, my coat arrived and I don't like it. Doesn't, well, like I like the coat. Fit wise though, sorry the camera wasn't even on me there. Fit wise, it's huge on the shoulders. I look like a marshmallow and you're going to see it now. So I'm going to show you what I have planned to wear on the airplane going over, but now I'm not sure. Everything is kind of messed up now because the coat doesn't work, but I'm gonna need your opinion and let me know what you think. So let's just cut to that clip now. Okay, so this is the coat. Sorry, ignore the very light yellow color in my room. It's just my light because it's literally like 10 o'clock at night. So this is the coat. It is pretty cool, but I don't like, it's really hard to show. I'm gonna have to try to sit the camera down, but like, see up here at the shoulder part, I'm gonna zoom in. Like, I look like a marshmallow or the Michelin Man. It's not what I was expecting. I thought it was gonna be a lot more fitted. It's really warm. It has a nice hood. This ribbon I can't break if I want to return it. That's why that's there. It's from Missguided, which I don't really like to buy off of Missguided. I've had issues with them before, but it was literally the only type of cream coat I could find. And I'm going to be returning it. So yeah, really disappointed. This was going to be like my airplane outfit. I was going to wear the Zara shoes and like a hat, but that's completely changed now. So now I don't know what to do. I literally have you balanced on a water bottle right now. So basically I think I'm going to return the jacket, which was really unfortunate. So my whole outfits are going to change. So there will definitely be more styling videos coming up on what I plan on bringing with me to New York. But also I just want to say, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you all here because I'm going to be filming some New York vlogs while I am there. And let me know in the comments below, did you like this video, this type of vlog style video, this styling video? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'm sorry about the mess up of clips here at the end. My lovely memory card broke and now I've lost everything that was on that, so it's great. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye guys!